Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for October 31st through November 14th. We start out with the period for October 31st through November 4th. And what we have is an anomalous amplified pattern. We have a trough here, ridge over much of western North America, and we have a trough here in the east, and we have a ridge south of Greenland. So during this period, we will have multiple Pacific systems moving inland. One will reach the East Coast early next week, and we go to this period. Here's the first system moving in, and this will bring the greatest precipitation amounts to Northern California and parts of Oregon. Then the next system will reach the region by around Thursday. Here's the next one moving in. And that could bring, this will bring a meaningful amount of rain and probably mountain snows to the Pacific Northwest. And the front of the southern plains, you can see here, will, right in this area here, will cause an expanding area of rain from the southern plains northward by Tuesday and Wednesday. And then, oh, look at this. This is for November 4th. There could be some snow. This is GFS showing some snow in the interior northeast. We had to see how that plays out. Okay, and now we're going to look at the period for November 5th to the 9th. And we still expect a trough-ridge trough configuration with a trough over the East Pacific, a ridge here, and we have a trough in the east. Still have our ridge south of the Aleutians. And we go to the end of the period. You can see the models are in fairly good agreement. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for, let's see, I am calling for below normal temperatures for much of this region here, and I'm calling for anomalies to be about 6 degrees below normal, and for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here, and for most of the southeast, and the probability of occurrence is up to 45%. That'll be mainly across here. And we have below normal precipitation forecasts for here and for this region. And the probability of occurrence will be about 45%, generally across the upper Mississippi Valley and the northern plains. Now we're going to look at the period for November 10th to the 14th. And the pattern is like less amplified, although we still have our trough here that kind of moves a little bit westward compared to the previous period over Gulf of Alaska. And we still have a trough here and above normal heights in the west. Look at the various models, still indicating more of a flatter flow though. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal temperatures for this region, and I'm calling for anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures forecast for this area, and the anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal or forecast. And for precipitation, calling for a little change in the precipitation anomalies from the previous period. So that's the long-range weather forecast discussion for October 31st through November 14th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.